Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the shape, remove the background, select the erase color. Then select another shape, change the color, adjust the shape, select the erase color, select the 3D shape, extrusion, duplicate the shape, select another shape, change the color, select the 3D shape, duplicate the shape, select the text edit, select anymore, select a shape, size the shape, 3D text, extrusion, adjust the color, then select the text edit, select a shape, size the shape, change the background color, select the color filter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.